Queens, I'm only a day or two away from my move, and so it's time for me to pack the bag that I'm gonna wear the day of the move. So I need something that's gonna be small, fit a lot, but allow me to be hands free. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Jan. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But this isn't going to be long at all. I am preparing for my move. It's winding down, and so I'm going to go ahead and pack the bag that I am going to be wearing the day of the move, and I need to be able to fit a lot in here. So I'm going to be using the Speedy 20. I think this is the perfect bag for travel or like what I'm doing because it's tiny. It's not going to take up a lot of space. It can be worn as a crossbody, but because of the silhouette and the material that it's made out of, it holds way more than you would ever imagine. So I'm going to go ahead and just show y'all what I'm going to be using or what I'm going to be packing in here for my move. So the first thing I'm putting in is a pack of wipes. These are going to go in horizontally. I've got all of this stuff over here on the table next to me and something just fell. Let's see here. I have my card case with my ID and everything in it. I didn't even bother to switch out. I'm limited on SLGs anyway because a lot of my SLGs are already in St. Louis, and I just didn't feel like it was worth the effort to switch out into something else. So this came out of the Ashton that I just moved out of. So guys, speaking of the Ashton, I really enjoy carrying that, and I didn't expect to enjoy it so much as a crossbody, but that's the only way that I wore it. I wore it as a crossbody the entire time, and it was such a fun and easy carry. I will say though that I'm shocked that I was only in it for like 2 or 3 days. So I am starting to really get into the habit of wearing my bags, moving out and moving on to the next instead of staying in them for 2, 3, 4, and 5 weeks at a time like how I was doing before. So that was really interesting. I think 3 days is like a record for me in terms of how long I stay in my bags because I just don't switch out a lot. But let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna also I put my card case in this back pocket here, so you can see it kind of sticks out, but it won't go in sideways, but it doesn't stick out of the closure or it doesn't stick out of the bag. It just sticks out of that pocket. So I've got my coin pouch, my straw, and I'm just throwing stuff in here randomly. My passport, and this has all of my other important documents in it as well. So I don't want these to be in any bags that aren't with me. So I have those there. I have I have my lotion, my Fenty VIP. So I have my little pouch from Dress Up Your Purse, and I think I'm gonna put just like my snacks and stuff in here. So I have a pack of gum, I have a granola bar, and a couple of drink mixes. Kleenex, my compact mirror. I'm gonna also stick that in that little back pocket behind my card case. 724. I have a chapstick vanilla latte lip balm. Y'all, I like vanilla. Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean lip balm. Hand sanitizer. Extra strength Tylenol. eye drops, my keys, headphones, and my phone case. Before we move on, I wanted to remind you guys that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It is pinned in the comments. It's also in my description and it's in my bio. So go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. And I can even fit a small pair of sunglasses in a soft case on top of all that. I got these glasses from Amazon. I'm really trying to scratch my Ray-Ban itch without paying $200-300 for a pair of aviators. So I got these, and I think these are okay for now, but at some point I'm gonna eventually end up investing in a good pair of aviators. But I think, like I said, these are due for now. I'll put the link to these below in case you guys are looking for just an inexpensive pair of sunglasses. But I'm going to go ahead and put these back in the case. And I think with the way this bag looks that I should be able to fit these on top. So let me see if I have everything like this, if I can zip this up. So it's zipped, but it's filled to capacity. So this is what it looks like completely full, guys. So it does fit everything. I'll go ahead and put in some mod shots just so y'all can see what it looks like on me now that it's completely full. This little charm right here, I think is super cute. And I got this off of Etsy. So I'm going to blame Suzwet for me getting this charm. So she actually had 1 or 2 charms that she got off Etsy, and I think one of them was a teddy bear with a guitar, but they were all made from Louis Vuitton scraps. And so she put the link to the Etsy store in the video, and I went on there and got the last one of these, but I thought it was super cute. So let me just give y'all an up close again. So as you can see, he has on sunglasses and he has his own little crossbody bag. I just thought that was adorable. So this charm basically lives on this bag. I haven't worn it on anything else. And I actually haven't worn this bag. So this is my first time moving into this one as well. But I just want to show y'all how much you can really stuff in this bag and why I think it's going to be the perfect bag for my move. So comment down below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.